Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. Find the value of x when 9 to the power x plus 9 to the power x plus 9 to the power x is equal to 999. Here at first we take common 9 to the power x bracket 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 999, or 9 to the power x times 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 is equal to 999. Or now both side we can divide it by 3, so we can write 9 to the power x times 3 over 3 is equal to 999 over 3. This 3 cancel out this 3. Here 3 divided by 999 we can write 333. So 9 to the power x is equal to 333. 9 is equal to same 3 square, so we can write 3 square whole to the power x is equal to 333, or 3 to the power 2 times x is equal to 2x is equal to 333. Now taking log both sides we can write log 3 to the power 20x is equal to log 333. Here we can apply this rule, log a to the power b is equal to b log a. So we can write 2 to the power x log 3 is equal to log 333. Now divided by log 3 both sides we can write 2 to the power x log 3 over log 3 is equal to log 333 over log 3. This log 3 cancel out this log 3, so 2 to the power x is equal to, here 333 we can write 3 times 3 times 37 over log 3. Here we can apply this rule, log a times b is equal to log a plus log b. So we can write 2 to the power x is equal to log 3 plus log 3 plus log 37 over log 3, or 2 to the power x is equal to log 3 over log 3 plus log 3 over log 3 plus log 37 over log 3. This log 3 cancel out this log 3, this log 3 cancel out this log 3, so we can write 2 to the power x is equal to 1 plus 1 plus log 37 over log 3, or 2 to the power x is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 plus log 37 over log 3. Here we can divide it by both sides 2, so we can write 2 to the power x over 2 is equal to 2 plus log 37 over log 3 over 2. These two cancel out 2, so x is equal to 2 over 2 is equal to 1 plus log 3 over 2. Here we can apply this rule, log a over log b is equal to log b to the power a. So we can write x is equal to 1 plus log 3 to the power 37 over 2. This is the value of x. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.